You are the best thing that has ever happened to me, and I'm so excited for the next stage in our journey. When I proposed to you, I had this big old speech planned in my head, but as soon as I saw you, my mind just went blank, and I couldn't get my words out, and so I improvised. All I could say was, I want you in my life forever.
I'm mesmerized, terrified, but I've never felt more alive. And I'm falling.
You have truly made Rem whole. He is a better man for knowing you, loving you, and being loved by you. You have created a love where he continues to thrive and be his absolute best. She, you have the biggest heart, and I am so glad to have gained you as a sister. Thank you for loving Rem the way you do, and for setting the standard for both of our little sisters to look up to. Bro, I am so proud of the man that you are. Life hasn't been an easy journey, and not always pleasant. But you stand here this evening as a husband, and I know what today means to you. Here is to a lifetime of happiness. No matter what twists and turns life has ahead, always remember how you felt in this very moment. Always lead with love, continue to have each other's backs, and enjoy this beautiful new chapter as husband and wife. Cheers.
And I'm falling
Mr. and Mrs., be nice to each other. Mr. and Mrs., you gotta love one another. Think of the future and all you're hoping for. Be nice to each other, Mr. and Mrs., friend and lover, Mr. and Mrs. I wanna make sure, I wanna make sure that it lasts forever and evermore. Don't broke up because Paul have the boxing gloves. Right? And I know you're the one. You're the one for her. And you've done it tonight. And the most blessing going on to you and Shelice, you hear me? And I'm loving her like that. Yeah, I'm loving her like that.
through the darkest days, through the seasons change. I wanna love you right.
I promise to never take you for granted, to love you, to appreciate you, to respect you, to trust you. And I promise to keep laughing with you, dreaming with you, travelling with you, and of course playing Call of Duty with you. I will never give up on us. You're my best friend, my go-to and my soulmate.
I love you, babe.
The past 8 years have been my favourite love story, and here's to the next chapter as Mr. and Mrs. Conrad.
Today that dream has come true, and I'm so gassed about it, babe. If I could live my life over again, I would have met you sooner, so that I could have loved you longer. You're an incredible woman, a beautiful soul, and I'm honoured to be calling you my wife. But above all, I pray that we grow old together, and when we're sitting in our little bungalow, watching Harry Potter and Parent Trap for the millionth time, we can look back on our lives and be so grateful that we experienced true love. I love you, Shelice.
Ramal, you take Shelice to be your wife.
I do.
Yeah, one more time. Right there. Okay.
When I know that I will never be the
I pronounced you husband and wife.
everyone corners of my mind will never be enough to let you know. This love is the best thing I have found. Like a garden bursting through the ground. Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have found.
8-9 years of knowing Shalise, used to as a couple. How do I get down that into 3 minutes? The real answer is I can't get it into 3 minutes by words, but by song. Danny, hit it! No, right. I'm not gonna do that to you. I saw it. Shalise really trying to have to say that. Shalise, I've not known you as long, but I've still known you since you've been with Ramal 8 years. One of the first things he does, again, get the mother seal of approval, bring Shalise around to the house. First person who's ever brought around to the mom and things like that, introductions. Here we are today. I can't say I've known another couple better suited to each other. I wish you both, from the bottom of my heart, every success, every happiness.
Every hope brought to life. Every day I realize this love is the best thing I have found. You're the best thing I have the best thing I have found. You're the best thing.